wala this.
Oh, obviously. You know me then. Oh, I just want to... I wouldn't put it this way, but...